Hi. On this episode of Mixed Media Masters, I want to share something very quick with you that can save you hours of time when you're working on painting projects. Now look, here's a common scenario. I'm working on a project and I want to lay down a color. I've got some nice yellow here, and I'm going to come in here and I'm going to say, all right, and this, by the way, this applies to whether we're working on paper or canvas. It really is all going to be the same, but I'm coming in here and I'm saying, I have this great splotch of yellow. There it is. There's my splotch of yellow. And what I'm thinking is I'd like to be able to add another color. For example, I have this blue color that I want to paint in here as well. But the simple reality is that if I start painting blue over the yellow at this moment, I'm going to run into kind of some bad off green that I really don't want to have. So my options really are just cooling my heels for a while. I don't know, maybe go get a cup of tea, go check something out on Netflix, but I don't want to. I'm in the groove, you know what I mean? You're doing your thing, you're really focused on the artwork, and yet you got to spend a lot of time waiting, quite literally, for a paint to dry. And by the way, it's about as exciting as waiting for paint to dry. But there's a really quick solution, and you probably already have it, and it's this guy right here. Now, personally, I haven't needed this one for a while, but if you have a hair dryer somewhere in your life, and chances are you do, it's simply an opportunity to just flip this thing on. And quite literally within 30 seconds, you're ready for your next color. There we go. Yellow, all dry. Well, dry enough so that we're not going to have a problem. And now if I want to come in and start adding my blue color, I'm going to be able to have full coverage here without the colors blending together, if that's my objective. All right? So simple, simple, simple solution. But again, it can save you an awful lot of time when you're painting anything. Every week here on Mixed Media Masters, we drop as much good knowledge as we can on the art creation process, making abstract art projects, just something to help you unleash your inner artist. If you like what you learned today, feel free to click on that like button. It really helps us out a lot. And if you'd like to learn more about the process of creating abstract art and unleashing your inner artist, feel free to join us here at Mixed Media Masters. We're dropping new content every single week and would love to have you come along with us. That's all I have for today. This is Spider Graham. I'll see you soon.